Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Windows 11 startup sound. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, begin by clicking the Start button at the bottom left. Move your cursor to choose Settings from the Action menu. In the Settings menu, choose Personalization. Then navigate to Themes at the top. And here you'll find an option labeled Sound, Windows Default. So we have to click on it, and a new window will appear. Within this window, locate the Play Windows Startup Sound option to enable the startup sound. Choose the option and click Apply, followed by OK. Your Windows 11 system will now play the startup sound. Now to disable the startup sound, return to the Settings menu, click on Sounds, Windows Default, and uncheck the option. Click Apply and OK to confirm, and the startup sound will be disabled. If you want to customize other sounds on your Windows 11 computer, follow these steps. Step 1 would be, go to Settings and choose Personalization. Step 2, click on Themes, and then choose Sound, Windows Default. Step 3, under Program Events, you'll find various options like Notifications, File Explorer, and Windows Turn-Off. Among others, choose the event you want to customize. Now let's move to Step 4. Click on the Sounds drop-down menu and choose a sound from the list. You can test the sound by clicking on the test button. Step 5. You have to hit on Apply and hit OK to save your changes. If you have your own sound file that you want to use, go ahead and click on the Browse button, locate the file on your computer, and choose it. After selecting the sound, hit on Apply and hit OK to set it as a new notification sound. Additionally, if you want to disable specific sounds, such as notifications or File Explorer sounds, go to respective event, choose the sounds on the drop-down menu, and choose None. Now just click on Apply and hit OK to save your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.